Hey, afternoons, Bob Trade Genius. Titled this video, Looks Can Be Deceiving. You know, we had that big move yesterday in the market that pretty much got sold off for the most part. And then today, well, actually overnight, China spoke and went right back up, made a little bit of a higher high. So I was interested to see if this is the start of a new move or if there's something else at play here, or if it's just another opportunity for smart money or the professionals to sell into this move. And so I wanted to show you a few things here. So you know, this is basically a centerline channel that I have. This is one standard deviation based on volatility. You know, 80% of the time the prices move in from these lines here, so if it crowds up against it, it's a good chance it's going to fade in. And then this is the standard deviations for VWAP. This is SD2, this is minus SD2. And so today, for the most part, the market opened up. It usually always comes down to test VWAP. It normally does it before the market opens, but this time it did it on the open. We got the pop that we thought we would get from that. And then immediately sold right back down to the VWAP, sold back down to the VWAP, sold back down to the VWAP again. And right here, the market's closing. It's going to sell right back down to the VWAP again. 21 times today it did that. And to me, that tells me that every time I got up here, pros were selling. Pros were selling, pros were selling, pros were selling. And reason why I say that is if we go to here, Wall Street Journal has what's called money flows. See, I'm a money flow trader. I like to see money's coming in or money's coming out. Is up volume, down volume. You know, that tells you everything you need to know. And so SPY was #1 on selling on strength. Okay, and you had some of the total money flow. The big block traders dominated it. Okay, that means that they were selling today, and so I don't think people are accumulating. This is the next move higher. Now, I could be wrong, but I just have to go with what the data is telling me. Today looked like it's, you know, we're still in the chop zone, and I'll show you that right now. Is if we go here, I'm going to first of all show you something else here. This is Warden Brothers. This is percent of stocks above the 200-day moving average. And for me, what I look at primarily is really the sentiment. If you look here, I'm going to zoom out, is that we just basically been having a degradation of strength in the market since it's the end of 2016. What's been holding this market up, quite frankly, are the top 5, top 10 stocks. Those are primarily the FANGs, all right? Now they're under assault. At some point in time, those business models are done. No matter what's going on in Congress, no matter how nice Zuckerberg is that people are going to take a good hard look at these things. Margins are too high. Competitors are coming in. Regulations coming in. And it's going to cause some problems in the stock market. But here, I just simply look at is, let me try to zoom in here if I can, is that this is really simple for me. I'm a visual person. Is that when this broke down, it broke down in February. Remember the big VIX thing? Here was the run here. And it broke down again. And now we have, now it's trying to climb back up again. But here's SPY. Okay, SPY's caught in this little bit of a consolidation here. And these are huge moves. We've had more of these 1% moves than we've had ever in a year. And that's never bullish. Okay, bullish is this. This is bullish. Grind, 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 grind. You know, people are covering, people are covering, people are covering. Here you get these big moves down. What this is smart money making dumb money make dumb decisions every day. Okay, they keep you a day behind, talking to your financial advisor, getting you to get out. Okay, it's better now. Let me get back in. This is what 2008 looks like for those who remember 2008. Okay, and at some point this is just going to give way. I'm still convinced of that. Now, I've always said that this thing could come back up to here, and before it fails. Just have to see what the catalyst is going to be. And for me, the only catalyst I'm seeing in the market right now, quite frankly, is oil. Okay, because it's political. You got gold. Okay, and sorry, I am not paying attention, and it's still not breaking out here. We own silver. I own silver, and I encourage everybody to get some, because at some point in time they're just going to blow this thing up. It's going to go through the roof, and we own AG, and we own Hecla Mining, we own DRD Gold, and then we also bought XME yesterday. And because the only thing I can imagine that's going to lift this market at all is going to be a dollar collapse and commodities rising. So that's where I want to put my money. I'm going to wait for a pullback on diamond offshore. I totally missed this one. I was thinking it was going to hit VWAP, come back down. It hit and popped. Okay, this Syria news, war. It just drives me crazy. So I'm just kind of keeping an eye on it right now. There's a few other energy names. I'm going to start focusing on that and look for opportunities to take positions in it. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna watch it right now. I'm really interested, and we'll see what happens with gold and silver, and see if the oil thing is just another geopolitical noise, or if we're gonna really get our final run in the commodities before this whole thing rolls over. So anyway, it's Bob from Trade Genius. I just wanted to thank you, and just so you know too, is these arrows here, just so I can explain. These are buy-sell signals from my system, and if you wanted to day trade it, you would have made some great money in the last couple days. This is just today. Don't screw around too much before the market opens, but you certainly start looking when the market look at you to short it here, you bought here, right here. These two trades alone, that's almost 2 days worth of income day trading. You can buy this from us. We'll help you set it up and send it to you, and it's yours. So once you buy it, you own it, and it's a great tool. I love it, and spent a long time trying to get it the way I like it, and I thought we'd share it with you. And these small arrows are demarks. I just have it up there as an interest to see if it's any value. So far, I'm kind of neutral on it. But anyway, thanks for listening, and we'll kind of keep you in the loop here what's going on. I expect tomorrow and Thursday be choppy, but Friday will be up, and then next week we'll just have to wait and see, and we start getting into earnings reports. Thanks for listening. I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.